Welcome back to the another session of WAPSI, my dear students. So we can directly move on to the first question. Okay, so look at the question. It's given that if the parametric equation of the curve is given by, it's given x is equal to cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y is equal to sin theta. Then the points for which dy by dx is equal to 0 are given by. So here we need to find theta is equal to the value of theta. So first of all we can write it's given x is equal to cos theta plus log tan theta by 2. Okay, so from this, first of all, we can write dx by d theta. dx by d theta. We can find dx by d theta. So here in the question, we need to find the value of theta. Okay, the value of theta. So first of all, we can find dx by d theta. We are going to find the derivative of this cos theta minus sin theta plus log tan theta by 2. Log tan theta by 2. So that will be equal to, if you are finding the derivative, that will be equal to 1 by tan theta by 2 into derivative, yes, theta by 2 into tan theta by 2, that is equal to derivative sec square theta by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Let me write it once again. Theta by 2 into, yes, theta by 2 into 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2. So that is equal to hereafter. Look at here. Tan theta by 2. Let me write dx by d theta here. Dx by d theta is equal to minus sin theta plus tan theta by 2. For tan theta by 2, we can write it as 1 by sin theta by 2. Yes, sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. So I am going to take, yes, cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 into sec square theta by 2. For sec square theta by 2, we can write it as 1 by cos square theta by 2 into 1 by cos square theta by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So wait a minute. Yes, into 1 by 2. So this is equal to minus sin theta minus sin theta plus 1 by 2 into, okay. So hereafter I am going to take this to the upper side. I am going to take this to the upper side. Okay, so that will be equal to, wait a second, here it is not square. So here sec square theta by 2. For sec square theta by 2, we can write it as 1 by cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So on the next step, just look at here. I'm going to cancel here cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2. So what is the remaining? So here the remaining is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So that is equal to, on the next step we can write this dx, yes, dx by d theta is equal to minus sin theta, yes, minus sin theta plus, look at here it will 1 by 2 sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, now look at here. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So what is that? That is, we already know that 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. We already know this. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Yes. 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So for this one, simply we can write it as dx by d theta is equal to dx by d theta is equal to minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta. Yes, minus sin theta plus 1 by sin theta. So hereafter on cross multiplying here, we will get 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta divided by sin theta. So what is 1 minus sin square? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, simply we can represent it as cos square theta. Simply we can represent this one as cos square theta. So that is dx by d theta. dx by d theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. So cos square theta divided by sin theta. So dx by d theta is equal to cos square theta divided by sin theta. And again look at the question. It's given that y is equal to, in the question it's given that y is equal to sin theta. Okay, so dy by d theta is equal to, just find the derivative of this dy by d theta. What is the derivative of sin? That is cos. So it is equal to cos theta. So hereafter simply we can write, and also it's given that dy by dx is equal to, it's already given dy by dx is equal to 0. So in the next step, just divide this. This is dy by d theta. That is dy by dx is equal to, we can write it as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Okay, so which is equal to 0. Okay, so on the next step we can write dy by dx. We can write dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. That is equal to, first of all we can write cos theta divided by cos square theta by sin theta. We can take sin theta to the numerator. So it will become sin theta by cos theta. That is dy by dx is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So that is equal to tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So here also we can write cos square theta. What is that? Cos square theta means cos theta divided by cos theta into cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, and take the sin theta to the numerator side. So sin theta into sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta into cos theta, just cancel here. So sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to sin by cos, that is equal to tan theta. This is equal to tan theta. Okay, and also in the question it's given that dy by dx is equal to 0. So tan theta is equal to, we can write tan theta is equal to 0. What is tan theta is equal to 0? So from this we can write theta is equal to n pi. Where n belongs to z. Yes. where theta is equal to n pi and n belongs to z. Okay, so my dears, now we can move on to another question. We can move on to another one. The question is that a particle starts from rest and its angular displacement, that is in radian, is given by theta is equal to t square by 20 plus t by 5. So if the angular velocity at the end of t is equal to 4 is k, then the value of 5k. So here for this question we need to find the value of 5k. We need to find 5k. So it's given that theta is equal to t square. Yes, theta, that is equal to t square divided by 20 plus t by 5. T square divided by 20 plus t by 5. And also it's given that if the angular velocity at the end of t is equal to 4 is k, at the end of t is equal to 4, that is k, is given as k. So hereafter, first of all, from this we can write d theta by dt. D theta we are going to differentiate with respect to t. Okay, so t square 2t, derivative is 2t divided by 20 plus what about t? The derivative of t is 1 by 5. So hereafter just cancel this. 2 by 20, if you are going to cancel this, we will get t by 10 plus t by 10 plus 1 by 5. T by 10 plus 1 by 5. Okay, so t by 10 plus 1 by 5. And again look at the question. It's given that it's already given. Yes, d theta by dt is equal to, we got t by 10 plus 1 by 5. So if the angular velocity at the end of t is equal to 4 is k, t is equal to 4 is k. So for in the next step just substitute here. Instead of t, just substitute the value 4. So it will become 4 by 10 plus 1 by 5. 4 by 10 plus 1 by 5. That is d theta divided by dt. D theta divided by t. Okay, t is equal to 4. T is equal to 4. That is 4 by 10. 4 by 10 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So that is equal to, just cross multiply here, you will get 20 plus 10 divided by 50. 20 plus 10 divided by 50. So 30 by 50, 3 by 5. Okay, so d theta by dt at t is equal to 4, we will get 3 by 5. We got 3 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 5. And also it's given that if the angular velocity at the end of t is equal to 4 is k. Okay, so for this one simply we can represent k is equal to 5 by 3. K is equal to 5 by 3. So in the question they are asking us to find the value of 5k. So how we can find the value of 5k? 5k will be equal to, wait a minute, this is equal to 3 by 5. It's not 5 by 3, this is 3 by 5. So in the question they are asking us to find the value of 5k. So 5k is equal to, we can write 5k, the value is equal to 3. 5k is equal to 3. Okay, so for this question, look at the options. The first one is 0.6 and second one is 5 and the third one is 5k and the fourth one is D. So for this one, option D is the correct answer. That means D is equal to 3 is the correct answer for this one. Okay, so here comes our next question. So the next question is that the maximum slope of the curve, is given as y is equal to minus x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 27 is. So we need to find the maximum slope of the curve. The maximum slope of the curve. Slope, we know that slope is equal to slope. That is equal to m. Slope is equal to m. It's given y is equal to, minus x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 27 slope is equal to m. So hereafter we can find, we know that m is equal to dy by dx. M is equal to dy by dx, and the question, the y is given as minus x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 27. So first of all, we can find the derivative with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, it will become minus 3x square. We are going to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So that is minus 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Okay. And also m is equal to, yes, minus 3x square plus 6x plus 2. So dm by dx, that is equal to 0. Dm by dx is equal to 0. So that is minus 6x. Therefore, minus 6x plus 6, that is equal to 0. So from this we can write x is equal to 1. The value of x will be equal to, from this we can find the value of x will be equal to 1. Now hereafter just substitute the value of x is equal to 1. Just substitute the value of x is equal to 1 here in order to find the slope, maximum value of slope. So that is equal to, if you are going to substitute, m will be equal to, if you are going to substitute the value of x is equal to 1, here we will get minus 3 plus 6 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 6 plus 2, the answer is 5. The answer is 5. So the maximum slope of the curve is 5. So here option C is the correct answer for this question. So we can move on to another question. The question is given that integral x cube sine in bracket tan inverse x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8 dx is equal to, we need to find the value. Okay, so the question is integral x cube sine tan inverse x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8. Okay. We need to find this value. So first of all, here look at the term in the bracket. So first of all, tan inverse x. For this one, I am going to substitute tan inverse x raised to 4. For this one, I am going to substitute it as t. So if you are going to substitute this one as t, we need to find the derivative. So the derivative of this one is 4x cube divided by 4x cube divided by 1 plus x raised to 8. 1 plus x raised to 8 dx is equal to dt. Okay, so hereafter, instead of these terms dx, we can change it as dt. So while we are going to substitute t and dt here, it will become, that is equal to, that is on the next step, it is equal to, I is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 because 4x cube divided by 1 plus x raised to 8 dx is equal to dt. So in order to balance this, we can add 1 by 4 here. So 1 by 4 into sin t dt. 1 by 4 into integral sin t dt. So what is the integral sin t dt? That is cos t. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into minus cos t plus c. Okay, so in the next step, just substitute the value, that is just substitute the value of t here. minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 cos tan inverse x by x raised to 4 tan inverse x raised to 4 plus c x raised to 4 plus c. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now look at the options. So we can see that option A is the correct one. So that is cos into tan inverse x raised to 4. Tan inverse x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus c. Minus cos, yes, minus cos into tan inverse x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus c is the correct answer for this question. So my dears, the next question is given that the value of, we need to find the value of integral, just look at here, we need to find the value of integral x square dx divided by root of x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6. Okay, so this is the next question. Let me read the question once again for you. So the value of integral x square dx divided by root of x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6. We need to find the value of this one, that is equal to. So first of all, look at here. So x cube, for x cube, I am going to substitute it as t. For x cube, I am going to substitute it as t. We already know that while we are going to substitute anything by using any variable, we need to find the derivative of this. So the derivative of this will be equal to 3x square dx, that is equal to dt. 3x square dx is equal to dt. So hereafter we can change this. Okay, that is integral I is equal to, so in order to balance this, we can add 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 1 divided by x square. We already know that x square is equal to t. So here it will become t square because x cube is equal to t. So it is t square plus a cube the whole square. T square plus a cube the whole square. dt. Okay, yes. So I is equal to integral I is equal to 1 by 3 into integral 1 divided by root of t square plus a cube the whole square dt. So we know that integral dx divided by root of x square plus a square. Root of x square plus a square is equal to log, that is ln, modulus x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, so just apply the same here. So we will get, for this one, we can put this one in a box. So here I is equal to 1 by 3 log t plus root of t square plus a raised to 6. T square plus a raised to 6. Okay. T square plus a raised to 6. So on the next step, just substitute the value of t. So that is I is equal to, again we can write I is equal to 1 by 3 log x cube. Here we already substitute x cube is equal to t. So here x cube plus root of x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6 plus c. Okay, so this is the final answer for this question, my dears. Again, look at the options. So while looking at the options, you can see this is option 3. Option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, yes. And also now we can move on to the next question, a simple question. So it's given that, okay, so wait a second. So the next question is a simple question for you. So it's given that the solution of the differential equation x dy, yes, x into dy minus y dx. Simply we can tell it as x dy minus y dx is equal to 0 represent which one? Which one? Okay, so we can write x dy minus y dx. X dy minus y dx is equal to 0. From this we can write x dy is equal to y dx. X dy is equal to y dx. So hereafter on rearranging this, that means dy by, we can write dy by dx on the left hand side. So dy by dx is equal to y by x. Dy by dx is equal to y by x. Okay, so we know that dy by dx, for this one simply we can substitute it as m. So m is equal to y by x. M is equal to y by x. So from this we can write y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. So what is y is equal to mx? Simply we can tell it as y is equal to mx means it's a straight line. So look at the options. The first one, a rectangular hyperbola. Second one, parabola whose vertices is at origin. And the third one, straight line passing through the origin. The fourth one, a circle whose center is origin. So here, option 3, that means option C is the correct answer for this question. Yes.